Hey guys, what is up? It is Dominic, and in this video, we're going to be talking about GoHighLevel, of course, but more specifically, I'm going to be breaking down the acquisition of a certain client of mine. It is in an industry that I've never really worked with before, and I want to talk about how this all came to be, what we're doing for this client, and then of course, I'm going to film absolutely everything that I tell you about in this video. So if I say we're building a website for them, it's going to be on YouTube. If I say we're doing an AI bot for them, it's going to be on YouTube. If I say we're filming a promo for them, it's going to be on YouTube. So you guys get to not only see how we obtain these clients, but also how we fulfill them, how we get them A2P approved if we're doing that, how we build their website and make sure it's lightning fast and do SEO and Google local service ads, anything that we might be doing for this person, how much we make from this client, and everything in between will all be on my YouTube channel completely for free, because that's what I do. That's exactly how I want to run my channel over the next year. I want to genuinely show you guys real life situations where GoHighLevel is changing people's lives and exactly step by step how to run an agency, which is what most of you guys are trying to do. So without further ado, the client that I am talking about is a concrete company. So this is going to be one of the first concrete companies I've ever worked with, at least in terms of like an agency and filming for them. As you can see right here, super easy to film. One of the most satisfying jobs I've ever filmed in my life. I cannot wait for this one to be completely done. I'm showing you guys just a quick little sneak peek, and we're going to talk about how I landed this client, or how Dalton and I landed this client, and then also what we're going to do for them and why this filming process was really important to me and really important for the client themselves. So there you go. That's the client reveal. I kind of already teased this before in one of my other videos, but I'm very excited about this one, and I just wanted to make a nice little sneak peek video today on what it is that we're going to be doing for this client. So for starters, how did we find this client? Well, fun fact, he was a referral. So Dalton goes to all of the chamber events. He goes to all the local business events in town. He's literally there like once or twice a week. He speaks at some of them, and he works his butt off every single day and does exactly what I tell you guys to do all the time. If you're just getting started in your local area, go to these events. They're free to go to. You can just network and talk to people all day long. It's amazing. And they're always business owners. That's the point of the chamber. It's the point of all these events. And in one of my videos from a couple weeks ago, I showed you how to literally use the Ask AI browser control feature that controls your entire browser on GoHighLevel and in all of your tabs to utilize Ask AI to literally find you every single small business event or chamber of commerce meeting in your area over the next couple months or weeks or whatever it is that you want to do. It will find them all and then list them out for you, and you can just go to all of these and talk your ear off, talk to everybody, network with everybody. That's exactly how Dalton has been finding all of his clients, and then he keeps getting referred by more people. So that's how we got the concrete client. Is Dalton got referred by someone else, by one of his past clients, and at first all they wanted was a website, which is what happens most of the time. A lot of these guys don't really understand anything else. They don't know what's going on in GoHighLevel. They don't understand automations. They don't understand opportunities and pipelines. They don't understand AI at all, and they're usually like, no, we just want a cool website. That's pretty much it. And so it usually starts with the website, and that's exactly how it started with the concrete company. And here's an example of one of the websites that we did for Advanced Center for Pain and Rehab, which is a chiropractic clinic. And this website is crushing. It's ranking very well. It has incredible SEO. Photos are great. Everything is solid, and they love, and I repeat, love this website. And if you guys did not watch my mastermind, then definitely go watch the recap. It's on YouTube right now. It's on my channel, and you can see exactly how we built this, and you can even get the prompt that built it for us. Yes, this entire prompt. Gave it away. It's 20 different prompts that if you connect them all together, builds the best like $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 websites that you can sell for that price. Insane. Go watch that if you haven't seen that, or just wait until the end of this video and then go watch it. And you guys can genuinely just copy exactly what Dalton and I are doing every single day. But either way, with all that being said, that was step one. He wanted a website. And in order for us to go do a really good website, we wanted to get some photos, and we wanted to see what a day in the life was for that business. So that's why I went out there with my phone and I started filming one of their jobs. Here is yet another time-lapse video that I filmed. I filmed probably 3 or 4 of these time-lapse videos, and then I did a little bit of a close-up shot on a bunch of different pores and a bunch of different, things that they were doing with this pool job. But here's the thing, guys. It's not about how good you are at filming. Anybody can do exactly what I did right here. I literally just got a tripod from Best Buy. It was like 50 bucks, put my iPhone down, did a little time-lapse. You guys all have time-lapse on your iPhone if you have anything above like an iPhone 10. And then you can just do a time-lapse video, and that's it. And you can see Dalton right there. He's taking his little photos that are going to be on the website. You don't have to do that. You don't have to do what Dalton did. But check this out, guys. I'm so glad I showed you this video specifically, because this guy right here, the one next to Dalton, does not work for the concrete company. He works for the pool company. And that's something that I really, really want to bring up because this happens all the time. So he didn't even know who we were. He came out there on the job site because this was the last day of the job site because he needed to do something else for the actual pool that was being built around the concrete. And so when he saw us, he was like, hey, who are you guys? What are you doing? You know, why are you taking photos and stuff like that? And we're like, yeah, we work with the concrete company and we're building their website and we're doing this and we're doing that. And he started freaking out and he was like, oh my gosh, I need that for the pool company that I work with. And I said, awesome. You know, we can take these exact videos and photos and knock out two birds with one stone for your pool company. And then he said, I also have a bathroom remodeling company. And I was like, oh, wow, we'll do that one too. So that is a potential of 3 clients in one, just because this guy came out there and just because we were already out there filming. I mean, guys, come on. This happens all the time. This is not like a 1 in a million chance. This genuinely happens all the time because a lot of these companies that I like to work with, the blue collar companies, the service-based companies, they almost always work hand in hand with other businesses. So the pool company works with the concrete company. And then the pool guy, of course, has a bathroom remodel company. And I'm sure that company works with a general contractor. And that general contractor probably works with a roofer. And that roofer probably works with blah, 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 blah. This happens all the time. And so I was super happy that he came by. And then of course we talked his ear off and now we have his phone number and he wants to work with us. And I will 100% go film any job that he wants me to because I know that I can make money on it in multiple different ways. So that's what I do. And I do it completely for free. Now I know a lot of people watching this can't do that for free. You can't go out there, 6 hours a day and go film for free. That's totally fair. I understand that. And I don't think that you should, but I do think you should charge significantly lower. Go film some time-lapse videos, put something together like the ones that I do all the time on my channel. The business is going to love you and it opens up so many doors that you can utilize Go High Level for. So obviously the first thing that we're going to be doing for them is AI Studio. We're going to hop into AI Studio and we're going to be building them a top of the line website. And it's going to be really, really easy because we already have our template and we have our 20 prompt playbook. So honestly, I think we're going to get this entire website done in like 2 hours. And don't worry, I'm going to film the whole thing and put it on YouTube. I'm super excited for that. I've been telling Dalton we got to film like today, tomorrow. I'm like, let's go. Let's get it done. He's a busy guy, so I have to work on his schedule, but I'm super excited. I want to get this thing up and running. I think it's going to be an awesome website. It's going to look sick. We've got awesome photos. We got the video that's almost done. I mean, this is going to be really, really cool. And you guys get to watch us from start to finish, build this site, watch it go live. And then of course, once the site's live, what do you think we're going to do next? Well, you would know if you watch my channel. You know how I onboard clients. The first thing we're doing is go into the settings. We're going to click on phone system right here. We're going to go to Trust Center and we're going to go get approved for A2P because we have the website done. So once that website's live and we have the chat widget on there, the A2P chat widget, we're then going to go get approved for text messaging. That company will now have A2P approval and can send out text messaging. They're going to have a really, really good website with a really good form, with really good photos, with everything that they need. And that's just the beginning. If that's all we ever did, we would still get paid. That's what's so important about this. If we only won $100 a month or $150 a month, maybe we would just stop there. But there is something that we could do to get this to $300 a month or even $500 a month. So what would we do then? Well, I'm glad you asked because the next step would probably be their opportunities and pipelines and building out their actual CRM. So that is going to be something that we would most likely do next. Because as I was talking to that concrete company and those guys, yes, I think they're organized in their own manner, but they're not organized in terms of tech. And it would be really nice for them if they had a layout like this, if they had a pipeline, if they had opportunity stages, and they got to kind of see where everything is and where everything's going and where their customers are falling in terms of the opportunity stage. Has their job been approved yet? Have they been sent an invoice? Have they paid their invoice? Has the job been scheduled? Is the job completed? Did they get a review on Google? These are all things that you need to be able to open your phone and look at and be able to judge what you're going to be doing that day. So that's something that they could definitely utilize. And who knows, maybe they want it, maybe they don't. That's something that we talk to over time. And if they do want it, then they need something. They need some type of entity or some type of bot, wink, wink, to help them move these customers through this pipeline. So that's where these AI agents come into play. And we can go to Agent Studio right here and we could actually build them a concrete managed agent that can help move those customers through the pipeline, run the automations, run everything that they need. I mean, that is definitely worth $300 a month. And if we can pull that off with a concrete company, then we can pull it off with anybody. I'm just letting you guys know where we're kind of headed in this situation. And they might want this, they might not. We'll talk to them about it. We'll show them how how cool it is. We'll show them that the bot does 99% of the heavy lifting for them. But if they don't want it, that's totally fine. We can stick with the website and the A2P approval and the videos. And then we can go straight over and start working with the pool guy and the bathroom remodel. After that, I would ask them about their payments and processing, about their invoicing, because I also think if they worked with us on this and we integrated everything that they're using, then they would be much happier with whatever they're using now. I think it might just be QuickBooks. I'm not sure. After that, I want to make sure that we import all of their contacts. I want to get all their contacts in here. Once we get their contacts in, we can start asking for more reviews. We can start following up, seeing if anybody needs any more work, things like that. And then one of the last things that I would ever do for a company like this is I would head on over to Google local service ads and I would try to find their business in here and run LSAs for this company. If I can't, then yes, I can run Facebook ads with the video that I made for them, but ultimately I would like to run some type of LSA. Obviously there's flooring here, Foundation Pro, there's handyman, there's general contractor, which could work. So there are a few different options in here for concrete, or that could be qualified as concrete. We also have pool cleaner and pool contractor. Pool contractor would be massive because that's exactly what we could run for that pool guy that we saw in that video. So this would be the next conversation that I had with them. And then of course we would charge a little bit more for that because we know they'd be making a lot more money because it's bringing in more leads. They get more leads, they make more money, blah, blah, blah. You guys know how that works. So instead of us just managing their CRM, we're actually feeding their CRM with a ton of leads, which by the way, you guys don't have to do, but if you want higher end clients, if you want to get paid more, then yeah, you should probably do this because LSAs are super easy to set up. They take absolutely no maintenance whatsoever. And fun fact, let me show you guys something that I haven't shown you yet. And that would be my Google LSA results for the landscaping company that we set up a while ago on my channel. If you guys didn't go watch that, type in Dominic Baptist LSAs. It will come up. I set it up for a real estate agent and then I set it up for a landscaper. And you guys got to watch me set up both of those. And these are the results. So check this out, guys. If we scroll to the bottom, we have 29. Yes, 29 leads. You can see which ones are charged. You can see which ones we got our money back for. As you can see right here, it says this lead wasn't a good match for your business or you declined it. A credit was applied to spending your budget. So if you guys don't know what LSAs are, definitely go watch the video on that. I break it all down for you. But basically what LSAs are is you get put at the top of Google. So if someone typed in landscaper near me, you're at the top of Google, you're number one. And instead of it going straight to a website like it always does, and you getting charged for pay per click every time someone clicks on it, you only get charged if someone calls or messages you. So you only get charged for the lead. As you can see, these two were charged. And then when you click on the one that's charged, you can actually hear the entire recording of the phone call itself. You can go back and listen to and make sure they are a solid lead. This is incredibly important. It is the best way to get customers I've ever seen, and barely anybody is doing it. They don't know how to do it. So go watch my video on that. This is just yet another thing that we are doing for this customer, possibly if they want it, if they want to pay a little bit more to get a lot more in return. But there you go. Crushed it over here. 29 solid leads, and we're getting more all the time. But yeah, guys, with all that being said, I just wanted to show you guys a quick little sneak peek of what is coming on my channel very soon. We are going to be setting up that entire concrete company. It's going to be awesome. I can't wait to see the results. I can't wait to see their reaction to the website. It's going to look amazing. And also thank you guys for attending the mastermind. If you caught that live, it was one of the more successful masterminds that GoHighLevel's ever had. It crushed, and it's actually live on my channel right now. So if you missed it, go back and watch it. Make sure to get those templates, get the snapshot, guys, and start building these amazing sites just like we're doing on my channel every day. But on that note, make sure to use that link in the description below if you guys are liking the channel and you guys want to support me as an affiliate leader. Then in return, I will support you every step of the way because you will be joining the High Level AI SaaS Lab with almost 5,000 members. It is the #1 community in the world for GoHighLevel. It is the #1 affiliate program for GHL. It has the best churn rate ever. People in our community and in our affiliate program do significantly better than any other affiliate program. It's why Declan and I are two of the top affiliates of all time. And yes, you heard that correctly. You get all of Declan's stuff and all of mine. The GHL Wizard, I'm sure you've heard of him. I'm sure you've seen his YouTube videos. Yes, you get all of his plus all of my bonuses. If you don't believe me, click on the learning section right here when you get in here, and you can see absolutely every bonus you could ever imagine, plus all my bonuses right here too, with all the AI prompts that you're going to need, sales scripts that you might need, snapshots that you might need. They are all in here. Also, you can go to the events tab. If you need a little bit more hand holding, then as you can see right here, we go live every single day. I've got an expert in here going live every single day on repeat that'll answer all of your questions. So make sure you hop in here, get any question that you need answered, and start to crush it and do exactly what we do on my channel. You guys can just copy and paste everything we do. Go work with a concrete client, go reach out, and then let me know what happens, because I am very, very interested in that. But either way, with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for showing support with my mastermind. I'm going to be doing a workshop very soon too. I believe that's at the end of September, but I will have the numbers and everything and the dates for you very soon. And most importantly, I can't wait to see you guys on the next video tomorrow. I post every single day, so peace out.